In this section, we will discuss how to write an Ansible playbook in YAML. First, let's discuss some important points related to YAML. A YAML file should have .yaml or .yml extension. It's a case sensitive language and tabs are not allowed, but spaces are allowed. Indentation of white spaces is used to denote structure, and a YAML file should be well indented. Also, optionally YAML file begins with 3 dash and ends with 3 dots. Ansible playbook use YAML list to represent a list of items. Here is an example of list. The fruits key has a list of 3 items: apple, banana, and orange. Each item is preceded by the hyphen symbol and a space. You can also create a nested list in YAML by intending the list item under another list item. Here's an example. In this, the grocery key has two items, fruits and vegetable. The fruit item has a nested list of three fruit items, and the vegetable item has a nested list of two vegetable items. This is how list and nested list is represented in YAML. Next, we will see dictionary. Dictionary are represented as mapping, and a mapping is a collection of key value pair where each key is mapped to a value. In the above example, the person key has three key value pairs: name, age, and occupation. The name key has two nested key value pair, first name and last name. Similarly, in this example, the employee key has a list of three dictionary, each containing the name, age, and occupation. Here is a sample Ansible playbook which use YAML list to represent a list of items, and each item in the list is a list of key value pair called dictionary.